This question is from Ilsa. She says, hi, I'm renting a townhouse from an agency who is not managing the body corporate. Agency B is the managing agent. The electricity is prepaid. There is a water meter, but that's not prepaid. We receive a bill from agency B for water usage, which is, take note, we sent in the readings every month. Sorry, I'm just reading it as it's written. The local council works on a sliding scale, but agency B charges at a flat rate of 35 Rand per kiloliter. So actually, we are paying more than double for the water. Is that legal? May they charge more for the water than the municipality? And same with the sewer, she wants to know. Cilna?
No, it's a simple answer, no. So it's very normal for the body corporate to have a managing agency. So a managing agent and a rental agent are usually two very, very different people that does extremely different jobs. It's almost like Bruno and I compared to our colleagues that does divorces and criminal work. We, are sort of the same thing, but we don't do the same things. So very important. Your managing agent must do the invoicing on behalf of the body corporate. The body corporate is not a reseller of utilities. The municipality is the only provider of utilities, except for in situations where it's not, where the municipality isn't a reseller of electricity, but Eskom provides the electricity directly. That is the only exception, but Eskom has their own piece of legislation dealing with them. So when it comes to utilities, you can, as a body corporate, only pass on as a landlord, exactly the same, only the actual cost that you've incurred. You're not entitled to a profit on that. So definitely not on water, not on sewage, not on anything. The only thing that you are paying for is obviously your levies, and that levy payment does already serve as payment for the services of the managing agent, as well as the service of the body corporate to receive the invoices and re-invoice, but you're not allowed to profit in any way on that.
Thank you, Cilna.